Hi, I'm Michigan Attorney General Dana Nessel.
And I'm Director Zaneta Adams of the Michigan Veterans Affairs Agency.
And we're here to let you know that there's money to help disabled veterans, but there's also people out there that want to exploit this fact for their own gain. So to help you and your loved ones who've served our country, we want to take a moment of your time to talk about both.
Earlier this month, President Joe Biden signed into law the PACT Act, which will ensure that our veterans and families who are exposed to potentially toxic chemicals during their military service receive high-quality medical care. This includes veterans, reservists, and members of the National Guard who served at the U.S. Marine Base Camp Lejeune or at Marine Corps Air Station New River in North Carolina. If you served at either of these bases for at least 30 cumulative days between August 1953 and December 1987, you may have had contact with contaminants in the drinking water there. If you are an honorably discharged veteran, reservist, or National Guard member who has a current diagnosis of one of these conditions, you may qualify for disability benefits, health care, or compensation.
With this much money available, there's bound to be scammers who will target our servicemen and women to defraud them. Some bad actors have taken the passage of the PACT Act and the Camp Lejeune settlement as a signal to set in motion scams to rob our veterans of their benefits and other hard-earned dollars. Many of these so-called veterans advocates and attorneys do not have our veterans' best interests at heart. And if they are able to secure funds for you, they may help themselves to more of the settlement funds than they really deserve. So before signing anything or entering into an agreement with anyone claiming to be able to help you secure your portion of the Camp Lejeune settlement, try to remember these handy tips. Firstly, lawsuits take time, so be wary of anyone who promises you a quick payoff. Make sure any agreement you sign clearly states whether you're responsible for the upfront costs or if they'll come out of the settlement. Ask whether you have to pay anything if your case doesn't settle or go to trial. Reach out to the VA to find out if a settlement could have an impact on benefits that you're already receiving. Find out if the law firm you're choosing has experience representing plaintiffs in Camp Lejeune cases.
It is also important to keep in mind that simply asking questions of the person or attorney who is trying to sign you up may not get you the best information. Please visit the Michigan Veterans Affairs Agency website to locate resources in your region and review helpful information.